Hi, my name is Vincent, and this is my midterm video submission for UCOSP 2015 winter semester. The project I am working on for review board is the file provider framework. Normally, when a user wants to upload a file to a review request, they can choose to do so by selecting the files from the computer or a laptop and upload it to review board. These files could be text files, video files, even backup of databases. Sometimes, however, the file is not found in a computer, but found on an external online file hosting provider service, such as Dropbox and Google Drive. If that was the case, the user would have to download the file from these services to their computer and upload to a review board. What the framework I'm working on does is circumvent this scenario. By linking your account to a review board and providing the proper authentication, users can select the files from their online file hosting sites, and upon selecting the file they want to upload, review board can just get the file directly from the external file hosting providers. This project requires two parts: working on the framework on the back end for the server, and working on the UI on the front end for selecting and submitting files. As of now, I've been working on the framework for the server. It currently consists of two parts: the file provider and two new resources for Web API. The file provider has a model and a base file provider object. So this base file provider object is meant to be extended for different file providers. So, and then as an abstract base object, it has a list of functions that needs to be implemented in order to work properly, such as authenticate, deauthenticate, list folders, search, and get file. While the models is a Django model that links users to their accounts for the different file providers. On the Web API, I have worked on the file provider resource and the file provider file resource. What the file provider resource does is that it allows users to see all the accounts they have, create new accounts for different file providers, update their accounts, and get the account they want to interact with. What a file provider file is, it's a child resource of a for file provider, and then it allows the users to interact directly with the accounts, such as getting all the, such as here, you can get all the files and folders for specific directories. They can search for files, and they can even get metadata for these files. What I've done so far is I wrote these and implemented them, and I also wrote test cases for them as well. So you look at my terminal, you can't see clearly, but I have 3 tabs. Each of them have different command lines set up for different test cases. I'm going to run this one. This is for the file providers module. This is for the file provider resource and Web API, and this one's for file provider file resource and Web API. Going back, you can see that these test cases passed. Same for here, but not for this one. Currently, I'm in the process of refactoring this object, as I have to implement local data storage set and make changes such that to accommodate for e-tags.